Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread in my catch-all planner. It's called the Botanicals. This is the last week of summer in September, so I wanted to use something fun. It is for the week of September 18th through the 24th. Today I'm going to be using stickers from Jojo's Pretty Paper Shop. This is called an Amsterdam collection. It is so lovely, you guys. It is so absolutely lovely. So, to celebrate summer still in my heart, this is what I'm going to be using. Summer is my absolutely favorite season, and I know that fall is coming, but not for me, just not yet. I have plenty of other fall spreads in my planner, but this one will be summer. If this is your first time coming, welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before and you're coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much. I appreciate you. If you're interested in these stickers, they are in Jojo's Pretty Paper Shop. If you use Kasha, Kasia 15, you get 15% off. It's just like I said, her stickers are absolutely stunning. I'm going to be using pastel boxes in general to match the colors. I love these buildings, and these are like, look at the detail of this. Look at the little, like there's a plant on a balcony in a window. There's a balcony on a house, you guys. Okay. That's how detailed it is. There's little tiny flowers on the houses. Like, it is so cute. So I'm putting a couple of those big stickers. I'm going to be making a checklist in them. If you follow me on Instagram, I will show this after the pen. I love how the spreads look after the pen when they're a little bit more pastel-y and you use black pens. I don't know what it is about it, but it makes me so happy. So anyway, welcome to my life, welcome to my channel. Let's have some fun. I'm gonna use the same pastel colors for some checklists, as you can see. So I am looking for them in my book. This book has been very beloved by me and used in so many separate occasions. So if you already know me, you already know how much I love this. Okay, so this one is actually pastel as well as the jewel tone. So this one will have more appropriate tones for this. So that's what I'm pulling. I'm just pulling a couple of them and then we'll go from there. But yes, these books are very much used and loved by me. I love having just ready to go checklists without going and searching for them. But yes, go ahead and check out Jojo's Pretty Paper Shop if you guys are interested. There's so many stickers up there. I have Halloween ones that I am beyond obsessed with. I can't wait to show you guys. So here we go. But let me add some smaller boxes and of course tiny ones for a work as always. Work, work, work. The grind continues, right? So I'm just pulling some of those tiny little ones to spread across, and then we'll go from there. I was thinking of adding yellow, but I don't think so. These are kind of like pinkish, bluish, greenish. And I'm going to stick with those colors. The blue doesn't necessarily exactly match, nor does the pink, but hey, it's better than not matching at all. Okay, so I'm putting my work Monday through Thursday. There we go. Then we're going to go ahead and add these boxes for events, as always. I don't know if it's you guys too, but my life, even though I don't have kiddos, I only have a puppy, it always seems so full of everything. It's like I'm running like a little hamster on a wheel all the time and getting things done. So I am trying to be a little bit more mindful about what I agree to But it's so hard to say no to family. Any tips about that? Like, how do you say no to family stuff? Like, how do you skip birthdays? How do you do any of this? Because I need to master the art of this. I want to do the things that I want to do. Seriously. Okay, so let's add some flowers to the spread. And if you have tips, obviously, leave them in the comments or message me. I'm always up for a chat with you guys as well. So here we go. I'm gonna add these flowers and these little plants throughout. I think that's gonna be so cute to you guys. I love little plants and stuff like that. So I'm gonna add those, and then after that, I think that's gonna be pretty much done. So let's see how this turns out, but I love it. I love these stickers. They make me so happy. You guys, do stickers make you as happy as me, or am I a weirdo? Like, what is going on here? I just love them. Oh, let's set this bicycle to here. So it's like driving away from the house. Anyway, little kids are running away from the house on a bicycle. That's what I think about when I see this. Well, so yes, last week of summer definitely feels like fall. Kind of sad, but what can I do, right? Can't control the weather, which I would love to. Now add this little nugget in there. It's so cute. Let's add this one to this. I like my spreads full. If you guys have been following me for a little bit, you probably already know that my spreads are usually very full and very functional. The functionality of it is so important to me. So I'm just gonna take the Happy Planner stencil, which as you can see has a whole bunch of marks on it. I have not cleaned it, that's on me. And I'm gonna go ahead and create a to-do list in all of those boxes, because sometimes I like checklists, but sometimes I like boxes. So that's how I make them. I do not make the circles because I find that they take way too much space for me when it comes to fixing the lines like that. So I like to have full line and make a little tiny check mark when I'm done with stuff, or a little circle that I can draw by hand versus these large ones. But to each their own, and if you like it, go ahead and do them. Okay, I am almost done with this, and then I'm gonna pop this back into my planner. You can let me know what you think, but this on the side will be my weekly to-do list, and then from here I will transfer it to particular days depending on what I need to do on each day or how I have time, and we will go from there. But yes, that is pretty much it. Let's pop this back in. Look how beautiful it is. This makes me so happy. I am so happy with the spread. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Bye!